In this video, we will learn to integrate sine of minus 2 times x. Let I be equal to integration of sine of minus 2 times x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometry identity sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine of theta. The video explaining how to derive this identity is appearing in the upper right corner. Also, the URL address of the video has been mentioned in the description section. So I is equal to minus integration of sine of 2 times x with respect to x. To simplify this integration, let us apply the substitution method. I have assumed 2x is equal to u. Taking the differentiation of both sides, we get differentiation of 2x with respect to x into differential of x is equal to differentiation of u with respect to u into differential of u. As we know, differentiation of 2x with respect to x is equal to 2 and differentiation of u with respect to u is equal to 1. So we are left with 2 into differential of x is equal to differential of u. I have taken 2 to right, so I got differential of x is equal to 1 upon 2 into differential of u. Substituted x in I by our assumed value, now the integration I has become minus integration of sine of u upon 2 with respect to u. This is a simple integration. 1 upon 2 is the constant. The antiderivative of sine of u is minus cosine of u. So I is equal to minus of minus cosine of u upon 2 plus capital C. Capital C, which is arbitrary constant of indifferent integral, do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indifferent integration. Minus into minus is plus, so integration of sine of minus 2 times x with respect to x is equal to cosine of u upon 2 plus capital C. We have solved the integration in terms of u. Now we needed to take back the expression in terms of x. For that I have replaced u by 2 times x, which we had assumed earlier. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to video, or if you think I should make a video on any topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.